Welcome back to Buy-Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams battling it out for the best dash cam on the market. In the left corner we have the REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit, and in the right corner we have the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K. Let the comparison begin. Let's kick things off with the price. The REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $25, while the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K is priced at $89. Both dash cams offer some impressive features, but let's see who comes out on top. The REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit boasts a wide compatibility, easy installation, and a 24-hour surveillance feature. Plus, it has multiple security protections to keep your vehicle safe. Not to mention, it comes with a worry-free 1-year warranty for any quality problems that may arise. On the other hand, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers a crystal clear video at 2.5K resolution thanks to its advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens. It also excels in night vision with its f1.6 aperture and WDR technology. Additionally, it has a smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control feature, making it easy to manage your recordings on your smartphone. And let's not forget the 24-hour parking monitor and loop recording capabilities. Now let's talk about design. The REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit is all about simplicity and practicality. Its hidden cable design makes it easy to install, and it won't obstruct your view while driving. With its high-quality ABS plus PC construction, it can withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring it stays attached to your windshield no matter the weather. On the flip side, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K also boasts a sleek and compact design. It's made with heat-resistance chipset and adhesive pad, ensuring it stays put even on scorching hot days. Plus, its mini size won't distract you while driving. The REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit and the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K have received positive reviews overall, with customers praising their respective strengths. That wraps up our comparison of the REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit and the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K. We hope this video has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and remember, always buy smart.